Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, y'all. I wasn't feeling good for those last couple of days. So I'm back and I attempted to make some microwave chunks. And we gonna see how this shit turned out, y'all. Cause it's like soft. I don't think it's good. But we gonna see. I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then I took it out and then I put it back in there for another minute. So we gonna see. Babe, give me something to put this on. To open it on. Like a plate. Give me. Y'all, I wrapped it up with this little hospital band thing. To see how it's gonna be, but it's still warm. Y'all, like I was saying, it's still kind of warm. But it was only in the freezer for like an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. And it's soft, y'all. Oh, it's super soft. This shit is look how smushy it is. It's like I didn't even do nothing to it. But let's see. Maybe I should do it a longer time. Maybe next time. It's like pure powder in here, y'all. No, it was a fail. See? Y'all, hell no. This is a fail. Fail. What did I do wrong though? Like I pressed it really good. I put it in the microwave. It was like smoking a little bit, so I took it out. Then I put it in the freezer for like 30 seconds, like a minute or two. And then I put it back in. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I did wrong, but this shit is still super warm and it's all powder. Like, it's not one chunk in here, y'all. And it's hot as hell. Oh, hell no. It was a fail, y'all. This is the only chunk it is in here.
Hey, you
Yeah, it was a fucking fail. I'm not gonna waste my powder though. I'm just gonna make some regular chunks. This not it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try it again, but I'm gonna use more cornstarch because I only use a little bit. So I'm gonna try it again, y'all, in the same video. Then I'm gonna come back once I'm done. So yeah, we gonna try this again. This is my second attempt. We gonna have a third attempt. Hold on.
We done tried to pat it so many times, y'all.
I can do a whole box. What you say?
She been trying a whole box this time.
Yeah, this was my first attempt and it was a fucking fail. And now we gonna try it again. I'm gonna fill this box up and then pat it real good, then I'm gonna come back. Y'all, so I'm gonna pat it down now. I just filled it to the top and then I'm gonna pat it and then press it, then I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That shit just took me like a whole 30 minutes. And I pressed it really good. And take this can of diced tomatoes. And I'm pressing some more. It's good, y'all. Real hard. And I wrapped it up with this little tape. And then I'm gonna wrap it with this hospital bandage. Real tight, y'all. So, hold on. Stretch it. Okay, y'all, so I wrapped it really well. And they say to wet the bandage, but I'm not wetting my shit. I'm just gonna put it in there just like this. And I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. And it's been like 2-3 hours. And we're gonna open it up. Turn the TV off. It feels warm earlier still. It's kind of soft. Hold on. Okay, y'all, it was a struggle taking that tape off. It's kind of soft, but we gonna see. This is my third attempt with my big chunks. So we just gotta see how I do this time. I'm just gonna fill it this way. It's still kind of warm, a little bit, just a little. I'll take the plastic. I don't know what it is, but I just can't make microwave chunks. This shit look, why do it look like that? Once again, it's a fail. I can't do it, y'all. I can't fucking do it. It's all powder. Powder. Y'all, I can't do it. And it's still hot too. It's been 2 hours though. Yep, I'm looking for chunks. It ain't not one chunk in. This only a little chunk. Yeah. Somebody tell me how to make this shit. Y'all, this shit was a fucking fail. The chunks did not come out as chunks. It's straight powder. It's fucking hair in my shit. It's straight powder, y'all. But the powder did come out toasty though, so it's good. It's squeaky, but fuck that. I wanted some chunks, some microwave chunks. I did everything that the lady said do on the video. I put it in the fucking microwave. I put the microwave on fucking low. And I cooked it for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Then I flipped it. 2 minutes, flipped it, 2 minutes, flipped it, 3 minutes, flipped it, 2 minutes. I just kept doing that shit. Then I put it in the fucking freezer for 2 hours. That shit did not fucking chunk up. It did not do it. But why you laughing, y'all? You laughing at me. But fuck that shit. Hold it right.
You see.
But fuck that shit, y'all. This is the end of the motherfucking video. I'm gonna take this motherfucking weak ass bite for y'all. Then that's the end, cause I'm fucking pissed off, and I just waited. I just did this shit 3 times, y'all, and then I fucking worked. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, fuck that shit. She literally just did that shit 3 times.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Since that was a fail with the microwave chunks, I'm trying the water bottle chunks. This just literally took me a fucking whole hour and 30 minutes just to pack this in here. And it's super solid. But I'm gonna boil this and we're gonna come back and see how it is. Might be the next day when I come back, but I'm gonna come back.